Hi everybody, my name is Derek Boston and this is my first video showing you a trial run face painting my daughter's face for Halloween. We are doing a skull that you can find many tutorials for online, YouTube. Alex Faction's a big makeup artist that he has some awesome tutorials online, so go check him out. I'll link him down below. But this is Gianna, my oldest daughter. We're putting on some Snazaroo white face paint. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so please forgive me. I know I'm not doing everything perfectly, but this is our second base layer of white. And the Snazaroo stuff you can find on Amazon. It's $6. Just classic face paint. Gianna was excited. She was also very patient. This is going to take at least an hour or so. I'm trying to stipple it in there to get a little more even. Next time I do this, I will not fill in the entire face with white because there's a lot of the sections that will require black, and I would rather leave those just flesh instead of painting everything white and trying to go over it. So now I'm using an eyeliner, and it is a gel eyeliner that is waterproof by Maybelline. $8 on Amazon. Trying to fill in her eyelids and all of that stuff around there. She was definitely hesitant around the eyelid, but she made it. So far so good. Looks like a one-eyed Dalmatian. Once we got it on there, I realized I probably should have just lined the eye with this stuff because it's pretty thick, and then went back and used just the Mehron Paradise black face paint, body paint that I have. That is also on Amazon. Everything I ordered for this makeup stuff is on Amazon. And this is the Maybelline Makeup Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. And then I went back with Mehron, M-E-H-R-O-N Makeup Paradise face and body paint. It was about $13. It's pretty high quality stuff. It was really good. Had a little bit of a sheen to it, so I think I'm going to prefer to use some black eyeshadow on top of it. Maybe matte it out a little bit more. So this is me doing the nose. The angle isn't going to show you perfectly of what I did, but basically there's two little points at the top of the nose separated. Those 2 points are not symmetrical. Makes it a little bit more visually interesting when they're not. Pardon the blockage. She was very happy. She liked the way it looks so far. Touching up the eyes a little bit. Coming back, and I think we're going to start on the teeth here. Teeth are not easy, but they're not hard to make look, or they're not hard to do, but to make them look really good, you gotta have some practice, but you'll see what I mean. We're gonna take that smile line and extend it out, try and over-exaggerate, caricature-ize the mouth there. I didn't really count if I had the same amount of teeth on either side to make them symmetrical, but I don't think people are gonna be counting anyway. So we painted those lips, and yes, the makeup is safe and suitable for children, and it's so they say. But yeah, I'm just going in here with black face paint again and taking this makeup brush. It's got a pretty stiff bristle to it, and trying to do some shading. And I think I took away, while I was doing that, the white face paint was pretty dry, so as I tried to shade that black down into it, it took away the white, started powdering right off. So I added some more, and you can't really see what I'm doing here, but I'm trying to carve out the bone facial features. And if you have a reference picture of a skull, you can just kind of mimic these a little bit, and wherever you want to hollow them out, that's where you're going in with the black face paint. Make sure to identify the jawbone and the temples there. and black them in so they kind of create some depth. Now, I didn't do a good job of keeping the left and right side of the face symmetrical here. I think I was kind of in a hurry. It started getting close to dinner time, so I'm trying to just catch that side of the face up a little bit. Trust me when I tell you, this entire process takes a little while, but it really starts to look good at the very end when you start dragging out the shading. And as you can see, I had to restart my recording, so I've added marks underneath the eyes and above the or below the cheekbones there to try and create some depth and shading. I still have to shade them out a little bit, and I'm trying to shade in the temple here with some dark gray eyeshadow, and same with the other side. But as the nose dries, you can see it kind of, the oil's coming through, so I just kind of buff them out a little bit with some eyeshadow. The shading will make or break your face paint job. I think I've got to perfect that, obviously, so I added too much black, then I went back with some white and tried to fix it. Excuse my blockage there. Yeah, but I mean, for a kid's face paint job, this is going to look pretty cool. Her friends did like it. They thought it was impressive. It was pretty fun. She had fun with it. Made her smile. So I'm going in here and trying to add a dimension to the hollowed out points of her cheeks. I didn't do a great job, but I kind of got the idea of what I need to do next time. So obviously, if you want something to look like it's coming forward or raised, you want to add some highlights, which are your lighter colors. And if you want to see something sunken in, you would make it darker, darken it a little bit. So I'm just trying to shade in these teeth lines. I didn't do a great job, but I kind of got an idea of what I need to do next time. I'm doing a little bit more shading on her right side of the face, which is definitely the better side. I apologize for not showing you. I might add some pictures at the end of this clip just to give you a better idea of what it looked like. And then I kind of wanted to do some shading above her eyes, but then they turned out being skull eyebrows. So whatever, but this is pretty much the end of the recording because my camera stopped recording. But just wanted to give you an idea of what this took. All of the products came from Amazon. I'll list them below and maybe I'll link them in there. But hope to see you again soon. I'll throw another tutorial up here next time we do a dry run with some makeup, and it's fun. You kids are gonna like it, so have fun with it. And if you have any comments, whatever, good or bad, give me a like, and talk to you again soon. See you guys.